Morning everyone. Today we are going to revise chapter 1 food. Where does it come from? So you all are aware that food is a substance which gives us energy to do work. It helps us to fight with disease and it helps in our growth. So what is food? Food is a substance which we eat, you can say that we eat to get energy, to grow, and to prevent disease, or you can say to stay healthy. Better you say to stay healthy. To stay healthy. So now it is clear to you how to define food. Food is a substance that we eat to get energy, to grow and to stay healthy. I repeat, food is a substance that we eat to get energy, to grow and to stay healthy. So this is the way to define the term food. So every one of us, all the living organisms, they need food. Food is the essential material that all living organisms need for their survival. Now the question is, where does this food come from? As the name of the chapter is food, where does it come from? So just think about the food which you eat. Like we are taking rice, dal, many spices we are using, vegetables, fruits. These things we get from the plants. And food like milk, cheese, butter, curd, these we obtain from the animals. In this way, food are obtained from plants and animals. So the ingredients which we are using to prepare the food, we get from plants or animals. So most of now the term ingredients. What is the meaning of the word ingredients? For example, if you want to cook rice, what do you need? You need rice, water and salt. After using rice, water and salt, you will get the boiled rice. And the ingredients which we use to prepare the boiled rice are water, rice and salt. So, ingredients are what? These are the materials which we use to prepare a dish. For example, I have taken example of boiled rice. Boiled rice is a dish in which rice, salt and water are used. So, now we will define ingredients. So, ingredients are the materials. Ingredients are the materials which we use to prepare a dish. It can be any dish. So, ingredients which we use to prepare a food, like for preparing boiled rice, we need water, salt and rice. Rice we get from the plants, water and salt. We get water from the different sources of water like pond, lakes, rivers and wells. And salt we get from the sea water or any salty lake. Now we will talk about the sources of food ingredients. To prepare a food we need different ingredients. ये तो आपको समझ आ गया है कि कोई भी जो हम फूड बनाते हैं उसके लिए हमें जो भी मटेरियल चाहिए होते हैं वो उसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स कहलाते हैं. सोर्सेज ऑफ फूड इंग्रेडिएंट्स. अब ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स कहाँ से आते हैं? मोस्टली ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स से मिलते हैं. Let us take one example. To prepare kheer, we need rice, milk and sugar. Rice, it comes from plant. Sugar, it also comes from plant. And milk we get from animals. So now we are aware that sources of food ingredients are mainly the two things. Plants and another one is animals. सो फूड प्रिपेयर करने के लिए हम जो भी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं उन्हें इंग्रेडिएंट्स कहते हैं और ये इंग्रेडिएंट्स हमें प्लांट्स या एनिमल से मिलते हैं. सो इन दिस वे आई होप these points are clear to you. Sometimes more than a part of a plant are edible. Now we will talk about edible part of a plant in our next video, and the remaining portion of the chapter we will do in the next video.